U.S. Citizenship Interview Practice. Immigration Officer Brandon. Applicant Mr.Liu. Number C24 Mr.Liu. Hi, that's me. Hi, I'm Immigration Officer Brandon. I'm here to interview you for U.S. citizenship. Please follow me. Okay. Please put all of your belongings beside your chair. Thank you. Please remain standing and raise your right hand. Before we start the interview, I will place you under oath. Okay. Stand and raise right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Yes, I do. Thank you. Please take a seat. Thank you. How was your weekend? Did you do anything fun? It was good. I went shopping, but mainly I tried to prepare for this interview. Did you come here with anyone else? No, I came by myself. Have you been waiting a long time to speak with me? No, I haven't been waiting too long, just about 30 minutes. All right. Do you have any questions before we start the interview? No. Why are you here today? I'm here for my U.S. citizenship interview. Why do you want to become an American citizen? I would like to vote. Great. May I please have your green card, your state-issued ID, and all your passports? Yes, here you go. All right. Firstly, we will start with the civics test. Okay. What major event happened on September 11th, 2001 in the United States? Terrorists attacked the United States. What is an amendment? A change to the Constitution. There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them. Citizens 18 and older can vote. What was one important thing that Abraham Lincoln did? Freed the slaves. Emancipation Proclamation. What ocean is on the west coast of the United States? Pacific Ocean. Why does the flag have 50 stars? Because there is 1 star for each state. Awesome. Can you read out loud this sentence on the tablet? Who was Abraham Lincoln? Now I will read a sentence. Please write it down on the tablet for me. Lincoln was the president during the Civil War. Lincoln was the president during the Civil War. Perfect. You passed both the civics test and English reading and writing test. Thank you. Prior to reviewing your N400 application, I need to take your picture and your fingerprints. Okay. Please face the camera. Now please place your left and right index finger one by one on the scanner. Look at camera and make fingerprint. Thank you. Let's begin discussing your application. Please tell me your full name. Mr.Liu. Please spell your last name. L-I-U, Liu. Have you ever used any other name? No, I don't use any other name officially, but after I came to America, I informally went by an English nickname, Stephen. Please tell me more about that. Among my acquaintances, such as my work colleagues and my neighbors, I am called Stephen. Where do you use your name, Liu? On my green card, driver's license, and insurance. All of those documents are under my name, Liu. Would you like to legally change your name? Yes, I want to legally change my name to Stephen Liu. Okay, let me update it. To confirm, you want to change your name to Stephen Liu, correct? Yes, that's correct. Thank you. Is your birthday April 15th, 1986? Yes, that is correct. Are you a citizen of the country of South Korea? Yes, I was born in South Korea and I spent my childhood in South Korea. How long have you been a permanent resident of the USA? 5 years. On what date did you become a permanent resident? May 28th, 2017. Do you remember your Social Security number? Yes, my Social Security number is 919-33-4567. What is your phone number? 212-123-4567. What is your address? 8765 Spring Street, Richland, Washington, 34567. Is your mailing address the same as your home address? Yes, it is. Have you lived at any other address in the last 5 years? No. What do you do for a living? I am the personal assistant of a company manager. What is the name of your work company? Micron Technology. How long have you been working there? I've worked there since 2016. All right. Have you traveled outside the U.S. in the last 5 years? Yes, I have taken 2 trips outside the U.S. in the last 5 years. For your most recent trip, when did you leave the U.S. and when did you return? I left the U.S. on July 5th, 2017, and I returned to the U.S. on July 20th. You went to South Korea on that trip? Yes, officer. Have you taken any trips since you submitted your application form? No. Are you married or divorced? I'm married. What is your spouse's full name and her date of birth? Her name is Chi Shen Chen. Her date of birth is August 9th, 1990. What is the immigration status of your spouse? She is a lawful permanent resident. Did you previously have another wife? No. Please show me your marriage certificate. Yes, here it is. Do you have any children? Not yet. Have you ever registered to vote in any federal, state, or local elections in the United States? No. Why not? Because I am not a U.S. citizen yet. Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen since you came to the United States? No. Have you ever received any public benefits since you became a lawful permanent resident? No. Have you ever filed a federal, state, or local tax return since you became a lawful permanent resident? Yes. Do you pay your taxes on time every year? Yes, I do. Did you bring your tax return transcripts with you? Yes, here you go. Have you ever been declared legally incompetent or been confined to a mental institution? No. Do you understand what I mean by mental institution? Yes, I understand. It is a hospital for people with mental illnesses. Have you ever persecuted any person because of race, religion, national origin, or political opinion? No. Have you ever been a member of any totalitarian party? No. What does totalitarian party mean? It is a political system where one political party has complete power over the country. Have you ever been a member of the Communist Party? No. Have you ever been in jail or prison? No. What is a prison or jail? A place to keep criminals. Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the United States? No. What does deported mean? It is when someone is forced to leave the United States. Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States? Yes. Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States? Yes. If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the armed forces of the U.S.? Yes. All right. Now please review the updated application on the tablet and let me know if everything is correct. Everything is correct. Awesome. Please sign at the last page. Okay, I signed. Now please read the Oath of Allegiance. If you acknowledge your willingness and ability to take this oath, please sign at the bottom of that page. Okay. Make sure your name is printed correctly on the form, and then sign. Okay. Perfect. You passed the interview. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Here are your documents and a copy of your interview results. If there are no issues, you'll get a USCIS notice form in the mail regarding your oath ceremony date. Thank you. You're welcome. Good luck with everything. I'll bring you back to the customer service area. I am very happy. Thank you. Thank you and good luck. Please subscribe for more.